chocolate unbaked cookies. As a teenager, I began learning how to cook using this recipe. It's simple and it tastes great. Measure out 2 cups sugar and put into a medium saucepan. Add 1 stick butter, 1/4 cup cocoa, and 1/2 cup milk. Use a whisk and begin stirring, and bring it to a boil. Continue to boil for 1 minute. Then go ahead and add 1/2 cup peanut butter and stir. Add 2 cups oatmeal and stir. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla and stir. And then spoon onto a parchment paper. Just let it sit and enjoy.